Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar. Here you are 3 artificial intelligence news. Brad London for CNN reports that at the Australia International Air Show in Melbourne, held on Wednesday, February 27th, Boeing Australia announced plans to make a jet drone with artificial intelligence that can act as a loyal wingman for manned jet fighters, and showed off a model of the system actually dubbed the Loyal Wingman Advanced Development Program. On its homepage, Boeing says that the drone, which has been designed for global defense customers, is the company's largest investment in a new unmanned aircraft program outside the United States. The drone's software will enable it to fly independently or in support of manned aircraft while maintaining safe distance between the other aircraft, Boeing said in a statement on what it calls the air-powered teaming system. The 38-foot-long single-engine drone, with a range of more than 2,000 miles, will be able 2,000 miles, it means 3,200 kilometers. The drone will be able to engage in electronic warfare as well as intelligence, reconnaissance and surveillance missions, and swap quickly between those roles, according to Boeing. Air Marshal Leo Davis, chief of the RAF, hinted at how a drone with artificial intelligence would interact with human pilots. We can program it to learn, but it learns linearly. It is not emotional, and it is, in many respects, in an air combat sense, quite inflexible. We need the flexibility and agility of the human meshed with the speed of a machine. When we put those together, we got a quite amazing outcome, Davis said. On MIT Tech Review, Lockheed-Martin Vice President of Technology Strategy and Innovation Robbie Samantha Roy recently said that Lockheed-Martin, in a partnership with the Drone Racing League, the global professional circuit for drone racing, is inviting teams of students, coders and researchers to develop, test and then race high-speed self-flying drones that require no human intervention or navigational pre-programming. Indeed, the developers have the chance to win more than $2 million in cash prizes. So why drone racing? Because it's a great initial proving ground for AI innovation and self-flying drone technology. DRL has been called the sport of the future, and it's followed by tens of millions of drone heads, gamers and tech enthusiasts around the world. It also blurs the line between the digital and the real, which will help AlphaPilot teams transition their tech from virtual testing environments to real-world deployments. Forbes says that more than 400 teams representing approximately 2,300 innovators from 79 countries around the globe have signed up for the AlphaPilot Challenge since registration began in mid-November 2018. In conjunction with the challenge, the DRL announced the 4-race artificial intelligence robot racing circuit, which will debut in fall 2019. Microsoft writer Ritan Gay reported that Microsoft is watching Hong Kong's first AI for drones joint university competition. More than 60 budding software engineers and technology enthusiasts from Chinese University of Hong Kong, the University of Hong Kong and the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology came together for the territory's inaugural AI for Drones joint university competition, an event organized by leading drone technology maker DJI and Microsoft Hong Kong. Their collective aim was to explore a high-flying future by combining the versatility of drone technology with the computational power of AI. Last year, DJI and Microsoft formed a global strategic partnership to bring advanced AI and machine learning capabilities to DJI drones. As AI and robotics become critical skills and fundamentals for the next digital era, the two global technology leaders have joined hands to nurture the brightest local engineer and roboticists of tomorrow via the provision of learning platforms and access to these cutting-edge technologies. Says Guy. Winnie Chu of Microsoft Hong Kong described the competition as fun, engaging and experiential. Combining AI with drones provides a unique opportunity to educate students about new technologies like never before. As competence is immersed in our everyday life, the intelligent edge is emerging as the next technology frontier. Together with DJI, we are combining intelligent cloud, best-in-class aerial technology and Azure IoT capabilities to devices on the edge, says Chu, potentially changing the future of various industries such as construction, public safety and more. A lot of errors today, sorry. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye.